Hello students. Now in this session we will understand how to find out the adjoint of a matrix of 3 cross 3. For this I have a matrix of 3 cross 3. As I already told you, we have to find first of all cofactor of the given matrix, and then we find the transpose of that matrix, then we'll get the adjoint of a matrix. Clear? So let us find out. I will how to find the cofactor again. For this, suppose I want to find the cofactor of the first element. So as I already told you that we are finding the cofactor of this first element 1. For that you have to eliminate this row and this column. Clear? So what is remaining? We have remaining 4 elements. So we are finding this by cross multiply. Clear? One more important thing you have to remember, that before this we have to multiply minus 1 to the power I plus j. Clear? So what is I in this case? We are finding the first row and first column element. So the position of this one a11. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and minus 1 to the power 2, it is 1. Clear? Okay. So when you are multiplying, the cross multiplying, cancel outing this and this. So you get 3 1 ja 3 and 5 0 into 5 0. So we get only 3. So we get 3 here. Clear? Okay. Now let us find out the second one. So the second one is that the second element of first row and second column. Clear? Second element of first row and second column. So what is the position of this? A1 2. Clear? So minus 1 to the power what? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. So it is 3. Clear? Okay. So eliminate this row, this column and this row. What is remaining? 2 minus 2 5 1. Cross multiply 2 1 ja 2. Okay. Minus sign between them and 5 2 ja 10. So minus is plus 10. So minus outside due to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. So it is 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 what? Minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1. Clear? Okay. So we get minus 12. Similarly, in this way, what we have to do? We have to eliminate this row and this column. What is remaining? 2 0 0 and minus 3 2 ja 6. So it is second column 0 minus 6. So what do you get? Minus plus 6 and outside plus 1. Why? Because minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, and what is 1 plus 3? 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 means plus 1. Clear? Okay. Similarly, you can find for the second row, and you have to first find the first element. So you have to eliminate this row and this column. What is remaining? Minus 1 0 2 1. So minus 1 0 2 1. You have get that. So minus 1 into minus 1. What is remaining outside? Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. So it is minus 1. So minus 1 is this. Clear? And you have to eliminate this row and this column. So minus 1 into minus 1 and 0. So you get what? Minus 1 inside and outside minus. So you get plus 1. Clear? Similarly, you have to find all these. And I will get you one more example. I will take one more example for this. Suppose we have to find a for this row, this element 0. So you must know about that, the position of that. So what is the position of this element? Third row, second column. So how we write? Third row, second column. Clear? So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, how much? 5. So minus 1 is there. Clear? Just look at that minus 1 I have mentioned here. Clear? And what you are doing, you are eliminating this row and this column. So what element remaining? 5 1 ja 5 and 2 2 ja 4. So 5 minus 4 minus 1. Get it? Similarly. Okay. Now what? We are already getting all these elements. We get this element, this row and this row, all the rows. Place all the cofactor of this matrix in their respective position. Clear? Now put up minus 3 12 6. So minus 3 12 minus 12 6. Get it? Second, plus 1 5 2, minus 11 minus 1 5. Got it? Okay. Now what we have to find? This is the cofactor. Clear? Sorry, I have forget to write down transpose of this. Then we get the adjoint. So adjoint A is equal to transpose of this. Transpose of this. Clear? Now transpose. So how we find the transpose? I told you transpose is the row change into column. Clear? So what is row? 3 minus 12 6. It is converted into column and the column is converted into row. So what is column? Again you can convert all these rows in all columns. So 1 5 2 1 5 2 minus 1 11 minus 1 minus 11 minus 1 5. Now this is your adjoint. I hope it is clear. Now next video I will told how to find the inverse, and that is very important for your board examination. 6 marks question can be generated in this inverse.